First problem, the output of OR gate is connected to both the inputs of NAND gate. The combination will serve as OR gate, NOT gate, NOR or AND. Now what the question here? The output of OR gate. OR gate have two inputs, A and B we consider. The output of OR gate is connected the input of NAND gate. Now here NAND gate. Here the NAND gate inputs we are given connected to the OR gate like this. Here what here? This is the OR operation. OR gate operation is A plus B. Here A plus B. NAND operation is, here input is A plus B. NAND means OR A plus B whole bar. Then A plus B dot A plus B is nothing but Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. Now this is the operation of OR gate. A plus B is the OR gate, but the whole bar is the OR complementary. OR complementary is the NOR. OR, another type. Here, this is NAND gate of two inputs are given same. That is called, becomes as a NOT. OR plus NOT is a NOR gate. Now, going to second one. This is the 2019 bit for NEET. It is what they given, you see that bulb circuit. Here this circuit, the correct Boolean operation represented by the circuit diagram is drawn. This circuit diagram which represented what? For this type of questions, how to solve? Based on the truth table. First, how many inputs will be there? Two. Two inputs will be there means how many probabilities of inputs is a 2 power of n. 2 power of n means 2 power of 2, that is greater. 4 inputs are probability, that is probability of inputs are 2. 4, that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Now what about this? This we are finding, this is the output y. See, when both inputs are closed. Both inputs are closed means the current will passes through it. That means the current does not pass through this. Does not passes. Then the output will be 0. The output will be 0 means this. Any one. That means the current does not conduct through this. That's why the current will passes. It will be glow. It will be glow means 1. Now this A input is open, B input is closed. Then current again does not passes through this. That's why it will be. Both inputs are open means 0 0. Then the current does not passes through this circuit. Current will passes through directly here. That's why it is 1. Now this is belongs to what? Here A, it is the, you can see that for all inputs, any one of input is low. Input is low. Output is high. Any one of the input is low. Any one of the input is low, output is high. That is belongs to NAND gate. You see NAND operation, A dot B 1 0 0 0. But the complementary of AND gate is called as NAND gate. Opposite. Like this. You can try for these all truth tables. Now the option will be NAND gate. Now third one. In the combination of the following gates, the output Y can be written in terms of the inputs A and B is. It is this bit is 2018 NEET. 2018. See, we know the logic gates of truth tables and electronic circuit, bulb circuit and transistor diode circuit. It's a very easy to solve the problem. Now you see that here they given the circuit. Now first A and B. Here A, it is the input of AND gate. This is represented as AND. Now it is a NOT gate is there. That's why NOT gate it is the B bar because of complementary gate. Similarly here A is connected this input and the complementary gate will be there. This is the A bar. Now here B. Now this is the AND gate. The operation of AND is A dot. What is the input of AND gate is B bar. A dot B bar. Now here A bar dot B. Now this is the OR gate. What is the OR operation? Plus. That's why this is the input A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Now this is the output is in terms of the inputs. Now option is A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. This is. Sometimes this question mentioned that what is this combination of this total combination of this circuit is represented as which type of gate? That is called XOR. XOR, exclusive OR gate. This is the operation of exclusive OR. Then that's why sometimes we can write this also A plus B, A plus round of B plus and B. This is the operation of. This is equal to this. This is represented as, this circuit is represented as a exclusive OR gate. Now option is 2. Now fourth one. To get output 1 for the following circuit, correct choice for the inputs is. Circuit is given. The output is 1 they asking. In these inputs, which one is represented as the output is 1? Now, here it is the OR gate, it is the AND gate. Now A and B are the inputs of OR, that's why we write the operation of A, OR gate is A plus B. Now C is the input of AND gate is A plus B and C. That's why we can write that A plus B dot C. This is the output of the output form in terms of the inputs. Now we are checking that A is 0 plus 0 plus 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. That's why the output is for this 0. But simply you say no. Output in the output A plus B dot C. C is 0 means the output becomes as a 0. This is 0. This is 0. Now we are checking that here. A is 1. 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 OR operation is 1. C is 1. 1 into 1, 1. That's why output is 1 for the fourth option only. Now fifth one. Figure shows the practical realization of a logic gate. Identify the logic gates. See, this is given that. You can observe that the transistor here. In this part, diode circuit. Clear? A is B. What is the option they given? NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. Now, this is here in this the emitter base junction is always FB, forward bias. This is in the reverse bias. Then only the transistor is in the active state. That's why we know this transistor circuit, it is belongs to the NOT. maybe these two or these, because of not gate in the three options only. Now in this, here the diode circuit you can see. In the diodes are in the reverse bias. It is a opposite. It is negative. It is the positive. Maybe it is high. That's why this circuit, which is represented as AND, means AND plus NOT is a NAND gate directly. That's why I am explained clearly about the what is the NAND gate in the diode circuit. NOT gate I am explaining the transistor circuit. That's why this is represented as a NOT. This is represented as a AND. That's why it is AND plus NOT. It belongs to NAND gate. Now in sixth one, what is the output Y in the following circuit when all the three inputs A, B, C are first 0 and then 1? See, first they given circuit like this and options 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now A, B, inputs of AND gate. That's why A dot B, the operation of AND is A dot B. Now it is the NAND gate. NAND gate operation. That means here one input is A dot B, another input is C. That is A dot B dot C whole bar. This is about NAND given circuit operation. Now here Y is equal to, we are splitting the bar, A dot B bar plus C bar. This also we are splitting, A bar plus B bar plus C bar by using De Morgan's law. Now here, first what? All inputs are 0 first. 0 bar plus 0 bar plus 0 bar. 0 bar is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It belongs to 1. In the first option 1 is it is. Or this. Because of 1 is there. But next what? Then 1. All inputs are 1. That is 1 bar plus 1 bar plus 1 bar. Then Y is equal to what? 0 plus 0 plus 0. Then Y is equal to 0. That means all A, B, C, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Then 0. Then what first we got? Output is 1. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 1. Then we got Y equal to 0. That's why the third option is the correct one. Seventh one, the output of shown logic circuit is represented by, they given a logic circuit, the options W plus XY, W plus X plus Y, W bar plus X plus Y, none of these. Now they given, for this is the OR gate, this is also OR, this is the AND. Now W X of the input of OR gate, that's why what you write W plus X. W plus Y, OR gate inputs, that's why W plus Y. Now these two are the inputs of AND gates. Then what you write? Z is equal to W plus X dot W plus Y. Now by using a distributive law, Y is equal to W into W, W dot W plus W into Y plus X into W plus XY. Now Z is equal to W dot W, W plus WY plus XW plus XY. See, Z equal to, in this what you common? W. W common means what remaining? 1 plus Y plus XW plus XY. Now Z is equal to the OR operation, 1 plus A is equal to 1. That's why it is becomes as a 1. 1 plus XW plus XY. that is z is equal to again common w into 1 plus x plus xy. Then 1 plus a or operation 1 plus a is equal to 1 x 1 plus x is a 1 z is equal to w plus xy. That means the output is w plus xy. It is the first option is correct. Now it's a very important problem. Now we're going to 8th one. It's also very important. The equation of the following circuit is similar model A, B, OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. Three gates of combination they given. Now here OR gate operation is A plus B. NOT is connected to the B input. That's why it is the B bar. Now A plus B and B bar are the inputs of AND gate. What is the AND operation is A plus B dot B bar. Now we by using the distributive law, A dot B bar plus B dot B bar. Here the OR operation B dot B bar is represented as the OR operation is 0. Like that A dot A bar is a 0. That's why the answer output is y is equal to AB bar. Now answer is AB bar. This is 9th one. The figure shows a logic circuit with two inputs A and B and the output is C. The voltage waveform across AB, the given voltage waveforms AB inputs and C are as in given. The logic circuit gate is, these are the inputs, this is the output. This output form is formed by which type of gate? We can measure, we can find in that. See, we know in the waveform the low level voltage is represented as 0, high level is represented as 1. Low level is 0, high level is 1. Here in this time over the second, here third, fourth, fifth, here high level, here it is the low level, here it is the low level, it is also low level. Now here it is the low level, it is the low level, it is the high level. Now high, it is the low, it is the low, it is the high. Now it is the high, then it is the low. High, high, low, high, high. Now we can see that once we observe that 0, 0 is a 0. Okay, 0, 0 is 0. 1, 0 is 1. 1, 1 is 1. 0, 1 is 1. This we can observe that inputs is 2. It's getting probability of outputs is 4. We can observe these 4. We know clearly. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. Then these are the represented by OR gate. See, 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. That's why this is represented by, this is formed by the OR gate circuit. It's over. Maybe AND gate circuit means what? 0.0 is 0. 1.0 is a 0. But here 1.0. 1.0 is 1. That's why compulsory. This is the OR gate. Clear? Now, NOR gate means, maybe it is an OR gate. How? 1 plus 0 is 0. But OR gate means what? Is 1. That is 1 plus 0 is become as a 0. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 bar, it is the NOR gate. That is 0. But here as 1 plus 1 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 1. Bar means NOR gate means 1 bar. Or complementary, it is 0. But what? 1 plus 1 we got? 1. That's why it is never NOR. That's why simply we can verify that OR gate. Now, same question like this. It is A and B are the inputs, so C is the output. Input waveforms is given, output waveform given. Similar method. High level is represent 1, low level is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Here 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. See, here in output what? 0, 1. Here what? 0, 1. 0, 1. Here they given 1. Here 1. Here 0. Here 1. Now clearly observe this gate. Here inputs 1, 1. Both inputs are high. Output is low. Both inputs are 1. Output is low. 0. Now, which type? In OR gate we can say 1 plus 1 is 1. AND gate 1.1 is 1. But next, NOR gate 1 plus 1 bar is the 1 bar, it is 0. NAND gate also 1.1 bar, it is a 1 bar, it is 0. Compulsory this given circuit in the first we can identify OR gate never, NAND gate never. Maybe the options in between NAND or NOR. You can see next 0 0 is 1, 0 0 1, that is 0 plus 0 bar is a 0 bar, it's a 1. 0.0 bar, it is the 0 bar, it is a 1. That's why both are correct. 0 0, yes. That means maybe NAND or NOR. Now 0 1, 0 1 is getting what? 1. 0 plus 1 bar is getting what? 1 bar. 1 bar is 0. But what? 0 plus 1 is getting 1. That means 0 1, 1 we are getting. But it is maybe NOR gate means 0 plus 1 bar is the 1 bar. 1 bar is 0. But here what getting output is 1. Then 0.1 bar, that is 0 bar. 0 bar is 1. That's why the given circuit is a NAND gate. It's a very first we can go through the options. We can see, check it. Like this is a very important waveform. Maybe I expected this year 2020 expected bit like this method. 11th one. See, two table for given circuit. This given circuit. This two table we can draw. They given options like this. Now, see, it is the AND gate A. Here, this is the B. The AND operation is A dot B. Here, A. It is the not A bar. It is the B. That means A bar dot B. This combined here, A dot B plus A bar dot B. This is. Now the output of this circuit is equal to A dot B plus A bar dot B. Now here in this common what? A plus A bar dot B. A plus A bar is 1. 1 dot B. That means B. The output is B. Here in the given options, the E and B has the same numbers. You see, same. Here 0, it's wrong. 0, 1, it's wrong. 0, 0, 0, 0. Maybe these two. 1, 1. Yes, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1. That's why option is this. But it is not 0, 1. That means what we applied the input of B, the same we get the output is E. That's why the third option is correct. Now, 12th one. The two tables for the system of 4 NAND gates are shown in figure. These 4 NAND gates they given. Now the truth table, the options is given in the truth table of this system. In this truth table, which one is the correct answer? Now, see, first we can verify the options. That means input of A and B, A, B are the 0, 0, same in all. That's why first A is 0, B is 0. That means here 0, here 0. 0, it is an AND gate. 0 dot 0 bar is the 0 bar. It's getting 1. It's getting 1. Now here 0, here 1. Here 0, here 1. Now 0 bar dot 1 whole bar, because of it is an AND gate, that is 0 bar. 0 bar is 1. Now here 0 dot 1 bar. Here also 0 bar is getting 1. Here 1, 1. 1 dot 1 bar, it is an AND gate. Then we getting 0. That is a 1 bar, it is a 0. That means we are taking inputs are 0, 0. Then we are getting the output is also 0. Here, but these two are not. Only these two may be correct in these two only. Now, in the second option, A is 0, B is 1. Here 1. Here 1. Now you see that 0, 1. 0 dot 1 is 0 bar. 0 bar means 1 only. Now here 0, 1. 0 dot 1 bar is 0 bar. It is a 1. Now here 1 dot 1. 1 dot 1. That is the 1 bar. 1 bar is 0. Again here 1. Here 0. Then again AND gate. Then what? 1 dot 0. 1 dot 0 bar is a 0 bar. Then it's getting 1. Now A is 0, B is 1. A is 0, B is 1. What is the output? We are getting 1. See 0. That's why it is not. Which one is the correct? Option 1 is the correct. This is one method. But question, they not given truth table. This circuit of combination is represented as which type of gate they will ask. On the time, how to do? See. Now, say A, B. Here A, here B. Because of same output. But here A, here B. Now what we got here? Here we got A dot B bar. Here also output of this gate is A dot B bar. Then input of this gate, input of this gate. Here A dot A bar, A dot B bar, whole bar. Here what do you write? It is the B dot A dot B whole bar. Whole bar. This. Now again this. What you get right here? This A dot B bar whole bar dot B dot A dot B bar whole bar. But it is a AND gate, not a NOT gate, NAND gate. NAND gate means it's a whole bar. Now this. Now this, simplify this output. See here. Y is equal to A dot B bar whole bar dot B dot A dot B bar whole bar. Now these the two terms is there. By using De Morgan's law, A dot B bar formula is A bar plus B bar. Now we write, this is the A, this is the B. That is what you write. A dot B bar whole bar plus B dot A dot B bar whole bar. Now complementary of complementary, it's cancel, no? Then what you get? A dot A bar dot B bar. A dot B bar plus B dot A dot B bar. Now we got this. See, again same De Morgan's. That is what? A bar plus B bar plus B dot A bar plus B bar. Now we write multiplied A dot A bar plus A B bar plus here B A bar plus B B bar. We know the AND operation. A dot A bar is equal to 0. Now this will be 0. This is also 0. What remaining? A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. This is the output. The output of it is represented as what? JOR gate. That's why A plus B. It is the belongs to JOR gate. Now what is the JOR gate truth table? Here, any two inputs are in low or high, the output will be low. That is the JOR gate statement. Now 31. The logic circuit shown in figure 1, whilst the truth table figure 2. What is the gate X in the diagram? First to figure 1, figure 2, they are asking about what is this gate. Now here, first in the diagram we can see A, here A, here B. The output of X gate we consider as X. That's why it is the OR gate. That OR gate we can represent it as what? A plus X. Then we are finding X. But the truth table of this circuit they given. Here 1 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. But this table, it appears as any one of the input is high, output is also high. That's why this table is belongs to the OR gate. That's why the Y is equal to A plus X. This is from the figure, but this is from the truth table. From the truth table, it is the OR gate. That is A plus B. Then here we can modify the A plus X is equal to A plus B into, it's a 1. We know that 1 means we write a B plus B bar is a 1. Then what you substitute here? 1 plus B into, that is B plus, so you can take a plus, because of A plus A bar. Why we are taking A bar means because of a bar is there here, a bar. That's why a in terms of a plus a bar, a plus a bar. Now a plus, it is the BA plus, here what you write here? Here we write BA bar. Now we are taking common here a, N1 plus B plus a bar dot B. Now a plus b, we know the operation of OR gate. A plus b is equal to 1, or 1 plus a is also 1. That's why it is 1. Then what? A plus a bar b. Then we see x is equal to what we got? A bar dot b. Here x is equal to a bar dot b means dot product. Dot product will be there means it belongs to AND. Because of x have the output, one of the output is a bar, another output is a b bar. That's why x output a bar and b bar. But what we got? A bar dot b bar. That's why x is AND gate. This is. Now it is the output of y of logic circuit as shown in figure. Here it is a NOT gate, that is it is the a bar, it is the b bar. Now it is the c bar. Now NAND gate, a bar b bar. Here NAND gate means a bar dot b bar. NAND gate means whole bar. That is. Now what you write by using De Morgan's law? A bar whole bar plus b bar whole bar. That is what you write? A plus b. This is the a plus b. Now this. Then y is equal to a plus b into c bar. This simple. Then this is here. These in the logic gates. I did 14 problems. All methods I think covered. Is a very important. This 2020 compulsory we are expected from 1 bit from the logic gate. Thank you.